Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your password on Lovo AI. Initially, go to lovo.ai. Sign in if you already have not. Now, we need to change the password. On the top right, next to invite, you will find your profile icon. Simply click on it and scroll over till you find something like My Account. In this new pop-up, you can upload your photo if you wish, update your name, and here is your email. Now the main part we want to focus on is changing our password. Simply click on this button that says Change Password. Enter your current password. Now to enter our new password, the password must follow these certain rules. It must be English, number and one special character, at least 8 characters and no blank space. Let us try to fulfill that criteria. Again, let's confirm the password. Now if the passwords match, you can simply click on this button called as Change. And that's it guys. That is how easy it is to change your password on Lovo AI. If you look at the bottom left, you can also delete your account from here, but that's for another video. Well, that's it guys. That's it for the video. This is how you change your password on Lovo AI. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.